has been weird this weekend. I don't know why. My guts have been off. Well, let's talk about that. What's going on? Well, my stomach needs to go. My stomach has not been working out.
Well, hold on. We need like a good out for this segment. So before you leave.
I don't know. I thought that 2 days.
My skates finally came in the mail. Oh my goodness, look how cute this box is. There's even a brown girl on it. She is so cute. I just feel like the attention to detail is really nice. Like they could have just put it in any box, but they chose to make it a nice one. I got these in a light blue color and I got these in a size 9. I'm an 8.5, but they said if you wear half sizes to size up to the next one. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open these. They're so pretty. Wow. They look really big. Oh my goodness. Okay, well, I guess not. Holding it up against my body and looking in the camera, it doesn't look huge. I guess they just look super wide. Like, look at that. It looks like a boot that you get when you break your foot. The middle of the wheel is lavender, which I love. Favorite color. And yeah, I just got blue because I knew that light blue would match with anything, like mostly anything. I'm kind of going off the theory of like jeans. You know how jeans are blue but they like technically go with anything. I feel like dark blue or very light blue goes with anything. The yellow laces might not, but it's mostly blue, so I think it's fine. Unfortunately, I can't try them out today because it's been like thunderstorming and raining, but soon. I said I was gonna braid my hair this week in preparation for our beach going vacation, but as you can see, it's been raining every single day. And I'm just like, do I want to braid my hair? And I think I'm just gonna braid it anyway because I think it's still a really cute style regardless of whether I get into the ocean or not. I think it's gonna be really cute, so enjoy watching me get an arm workout. look how cute my hair came out. It's still a little bit damp, but having it out today should make it fine. I love the way this looks with my roots being so blonde. Yeah, I love this. I never do this style often because I feel like it makes me look so young. But I should really do it more often. It's definitely something I can do by myself, which is also nice. I don't need to wait for anybody to do it for me. I'm sure the parting isn't perfect because I wasn't really, I had a mirror and another mirror so I could see the back of my head, but I was like, I just don't care that much. I could pretty much feel if it was a straight line. Who knows what the back of my head looks like.